Look what I got in today. lseat.com. Saab 9000 front dove gray real leather seat covers in a vacuum pack bag. Oh, there's a notch here. That should be strong enough to hold it. I'm just not sure. Or will it? Oh, it's got muslin channels for the factory wires. That's actually nylon though. That's even stronger. So far, I'm liking it. This looks like a piece of piping. Looks like there's yep, there's one for the top. And they are inside out. Oh, look at that. It's soft. Wow. I think that's gonna look good. Just a little bit lighter on the headliner and the A-pillars. Same color group. In the sunroof visor as well. There's still a bit of chalk mark on there. Come off with some leather cleaner. So you get two tops, two bottoms, two headrests for $350. This is a little bit thicker leather in the back, not quite as soft. Stitching is great. I just don't know. I don't think the sides are tall enough. I think the sides are too short. From the edge, yep. That is not gonna fit. Oh, wait a minute, that's the other side. That's the inside. Yeah, it is right. Yeah, this is going away. I'm keeping it, but this is actually the other seat. Grab the other one. Here's the other bottom. Let's see what they did here. That is not on the original. That's the same, and that's the same. And we just reuse these wires. I'll have to cut these out of my repair. We got the flap here, the base. Identical stitching. I like it. They do not have a pattern for the rears for this car, for the 4-door. With the fold down armrest, they have the split back for the other model, for the CS, but they don't have this one. I'm gonna do the fronts first. The seats are, rear seats okay. It's gonna be a bit of work removing all of that stuff to send to them to have a pattern made, but they will give me a fairly large discount to be able to make the pattern from it, to be able to do a whole set for the car. So we'll see how they go on it. That looks like it's a perfect fit based on pattern comparison from the original. So once I get the motors fixed on the driver's side, I'll go ahead and we'll put it back together, and I'll go through the whole process with installing these, switching the wires, attaching it, all that good stuff. See how they come out. Can't wait to put these on. Very happy with them so far.